How to use coupons on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use coupons on Temu. For that, you want to launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Once you have opened that, make sure to sign into your account. You can do that by entering your credentials. You can use either phone number or email address. You can also use Facebook account or Gmail account to create a new Temu account. Once you have created or logged into your account, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will find different options. You want to locate and tap on coupons and offers option. Now here you have different tabs such as unused, used, and expired. Now, if you have a coupon that you want to use, simply head over to the unused tab. Here you have this box. On this box, you want to enter your coupon code. So go ahead and paste or type in the coupon code as it is. Now, once you do that, go ahead and tap on the apply option. If the coupon code is valid, it is going to be applied over here. You have to make sure that the coupon has not been yet expired. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it. Once you have redeemed your coupon code over here, you can purchase the item and get the discounts off the coupon. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.